In today's video we will see how to fix the Xbox Series XS no HDMI signal and black screen, TV not detecting console. The fix one, perform a hard reset and power cycle. So press and hold the power button on the front of the Xbox for 10 seconds until the console turn off completely. Now unplug the power cable from both the Xbox and the wall outlet. Now wait at least 30 seconds to drain any remaining power. Now plug the power cable back in and turn on the Xbox and check if the display return. Now the fix to start the Xbox in low resolution mode. If your Xbox is set to resolution or refresh rate that your TV does not support, such as 4K 120Hz, forcing the console to boot in 640 and full resolution can restore the picture. For Xbox Series X, turn the console off completely, then press and hold the power button and eject the button together. Now keep holding until you hear the second startup beep, about 10 seconds after the first, then the Xbox will start in low resolution mode. For Xbox Series S, turn the console off completely, press and hold the power button and pair the button. Now release both buttons after you hear the second startup beep. Now the fix 3, check the HDMI connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is connected securely to the HDMI out to TV port on the Xbox. Now connect the Xbox directly to the TV instead of using an AV receiver, soundbar and HDMI splitter or capture card. Now replace the HDMI cable with the certified ultra high speed, the HDMI 2.1 cable if possible. Now try a different HDMI port on your TV and confirm your TV is set to the correct HDMI input source. Now the fix 4, disconnect external device. So turn off the Xbox and disconnect all USB accessories including external hard drive, storage expansion cord, USB hub, charging dock, and leave only the power cable, HDMI cable and controller connected. Now restart the console and check if the display return. Now the fix 5, inspect the HDMI port. So turn off and unplug the Xbox. Now inspect the HDMI port with the flashlight. Remove any dust using compressed air and check for bent pins, loose connectors or visible damage. If the HDMI port is damaged or loose, the console will likely require professional repair or HDMI replacement. So goodbye and thanks for watching.